What's up, Road to Riches family? Today, we're going to take a look at the recent market and how day trading is going for me. We'll also take a look at AXLA stock, which has been up over 200% in the past few weeks. So we'll talk about some other stocks, including Clover, which is also one of the stocks that my supporters asked for. So if you're new to this channel, we talk about how to make money in the stock market, day trading, stock updates, and more. So make sure to subscribe if you like making money in the stock market, and make sure to smash that like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so we can all get on the road to riches. Now, as y'all can see here, AXLA is up over 200% in the past few days. Now, yesterday was when it had its big run to over $1. Now, AXLA has a float of about 26 to 55 million. Now, there isn't any super recent news on this stock. However, there was some news on August 30th. And now, according to that news, AXLA is surging because they announced a patent for long COVID fatigue treatment. So, honestly, I know YouTube is strict with people talking about COVID and everything like that. But I will say, if COVID cases rise, look for AXLA to run also, because that's basically what their whole stock is kind of all about right now. So today it had a small double bottom that I actually made some money from, but it actually started to fade after that. Small gain all the way back under support actually. But this stock looked like it's something to watch for the upcoming weeks, especially if COVID cases start to rise. I'm also looking for this stock to hold over $1, but just remember it is a small cap and it is a small float. And I'm gonna also be honest, the first week of September has been good for me. I actually made over $100 and I got my account back close to the green. So this month I'm actually profitable. However, it seems like this week is actually starting to be a little bit slow in the market. These past few days haven't been too good for me. So I have to be more cautious and learn to take some days off. So with that being said, make sure to stick to your plan and try not to overtrade or force any setups like I kind of been doing these past 2 days actually, and take your profits into strength. So AXLA is a great example of that, making sure you're taking your profits and not being too greedy. Now, next stock, as we talked about, is for my supporters. Now, I'll be taking a look at Clover stock. Now, let's talk about the basics. Clover stock has a bigger float and market cap than the stocks that I usually trade or go for. The market cap is over 600 million. So you would need a lot of volume and capital to actually push this stock up. Not saying that it can't go up, but you'll need a lot of that volume. The short percent is almost at 6, which is kind of low for me. As we've seen with stocks like TUP, Carvana, and even EDBL, those stocks, the short percent on those stocks was up over 20%, some even 30%. Now, that's when you know you can be in a real short squeeze situation. So that's what I'm mainly looking for. So if the short percent keeps going up and we get some volume, that's what I'm actually looking for in those short squeezes. But let's look at the chart on Clover. Now, it doesn't have terrible value, but it definitely would need more for a short squeeze. It is cheap, so that's good because people can buy a lot of these shares if it starts to run, just like on ACB that we talked about, and that a recent supporter told us to do a video on. And it's actually running too. ACB has been running in these past few days, so keep an eye out on ACB too. But now let's go to the 1-year chart on Clover. This stock has a peak volume of about 40 million, so we'll need about 40 million in size to see a good run or squeeze potential on this type of stock. And last time it had big volume this year, it went on a small run from about 80 cents to 90 cents. So that's just another indicator that it could go on another run. I remember this stock running back in 2021. It had a crazy run from $7 all the way to $28, but the volume at that time was super crazy. Clover did have some good news. They actually had a good earnings report, and 2 analysts raised their target price to $1.50. So with that being said, I like doing these short squeeze videos for my supporters and my subscribers. If you have any stocks that you want me to do a review and analysis on, make sure to comment and let me know below. And that's all for today. So make sure to take your profits into strength, and don't be too greedy right now unless the market starts running again and we're more in that bull market. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more stock tips and updates. And make sure to check out that Road to Riches gear in my bio. And I'll see y'all in the next video.